morning, all of you, my dear students. Welcome
Good
to
morning.
our Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education English Medium. Today's subject is maths and topic is coins and notes.
Notes.
Yes. First, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Suvarna Dilip Vadlere. I am from Kokhle Road, South English Municipal School. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal bit officer is Mr. Sharat Kurade Sir. Our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam. Our assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam. Our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Gurangule Sir. Okay. Start our day with a good thought. So today's thought of the day is you get the best out of others when you give the best of yourself. Can you tell meaning? Okay, I am going to explain it. You get the best out of others. When you give the best of yourself, it means we can't motivate people to do their best. If we are not motivated enough to give our best, means first you have to give the best, then you will get the best. Therefore, to get the best out of others, it is important to start giving your best. So, you get the best out of the others when you give the best of yourself. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the picture, children. What is given in this picture?
Super shopping.
Yes. This is a
One
shop.
girl is shopping. One girl is shopping.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good. You know the name of that girl? The girl name is Ritu and she is going to shopping. Now tell me, what will she need to buy the things?
Milk.
Okay, she want to buy milk. Okay.
And what? And juice also of apple, watermelon.
And drinks.
Okay, many things. There are given, there are
And
grocery also. Yes,
vegetables.
yes. She want to buy many things like vegetables, milks. What will she need to buy these things? What she need?
She need the money.
Yes, very good. Very good, beta. She need the money. Without money, no one give free. No? Yes, you are
Yes.
right. She will need money. While purchasing anything, we need the money. For like a grocery,
Groceries,
vegetables,
vegetables, our
yes,
items, clothes,
And
fruits.
yes, very good. If we want to purchase grocery, vegetables, if you want to purchase other items like a pen, pencil, notebook, or other things also. Huh? If you buy, would like to buy clothes or fruits, we need a money. Okay, without money, no one give us. Okay. And if we want to take the facilities from doctors, helpers, carpenters, plumbers, lawyers, what we exchange, what we need, what we need for to take the facilities from them.
money.
Money, yes, we need the money. So while purchasing of the product or groceries, we exchange a currency like coins, notes in return of the products or other facilities like a doctor, helper, carpenter, plumber, lawyer. We need a money. Okay. So children, let me tell you that Indian currency is divided into two types. How many types? Two types. One is a coin and other is the note. Which are the two types of currency?
Coins and notes.
Yes, one is a coin and another is a
Note.
Okay. Let us look at the coins and currency note of different value. To note rupees in this symbol. See this symbol given here. Huh? I show you this screen now. On the
Yes.
screen, this symbol you can see.
Yes.
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 Okay. There is given one symbol. We denote rupees in this symbol. We can use this symbol whenever we want to write the rupees. Okay. And this symbol look like as a Marathi alphabet letter, na? R. And
Yes.
above is a horizontal line is given, na? This
Yes.
yes. And Indian rupees subdivided into rupees and paise. That is in metal coins and paper notes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see, look at the coins and know the values. You know these coins, you are very familiar, I think, na?
Yes.
First one is a 1 rupee
1
coin.
rupee.
Yes. Second one, 2
2
rupees. Then 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin.
10 rupees coin.
Correct?
Yes.
1 rupees coin. This one is a 1 rupee coin. Repeat me. And this one is a 2 rupees coin. And this one is a 5 rupees coin. And this is a 10 rupees
10
coin.
rupees coin.
Okay.
Yes.
Now look at the notes and know the values. Okay.
Note.
Tell me, this is
This is
a
5 rupees note.
5. Yes,
And
5
this
rupees
is
note.
10 rupees note. 10 rupees note.
Yes, very good. This is 5 rupees note and this is 10
10
rupees note. Good. Now next one.
This is 20 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note.
Yes, 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note is given. Both are in different colors now. You can identify
Yes.
easily,
Yes.
na? Because of
Yes.
this color and the size also is different. Na? This
Yes.
is a note of 20 rupees. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
First one is a 20 rupees note and next 50 rupees note. Okay. And there, now look at these notes and tell
100
me.
rupees. 100 rupees note.
200.
Yes.
100 rupees note.
Yes, very good. First one is a 100 rupees note and second one 200 rupees note. Both are in different colors. And there is given the symbol also. First I shown you that symbol means Marathi alphabet, that like a R.
Yes, yes.
See,
Shambha.
observe this note. Before the 100 number there is given that symbol. Okay.
Yes.
On every note there is given the symbol. Now next, look at the notes and know the value of first one.
First one
500
500.
rupee note.
Second
And
one
this 2000 rupees note.
Yes,
2000.
first
3.
2000. First one is a 500 rupees note.
And 2000.
Yes, and second one is a 2000 rupees note. Okay, very good, very good. I
And,
think all are familiar. No?
Yes. And color changes. Inside
Okay.
2000
Yes.
size is big, 500
Yes.
size small.
Okay, very good, very good. You can identify these notes very easily because of their colors or size. No? Both are different. So why this size or colors are given to different for all notes? 20
Because
rupees.
because
Yes.
that note value also
We should identify this easily, no?
Yes.
That's why. That's why. Okay, very good, very good.
identify.
Now, let's tell me, write the total amount, means there is given a 20 rupees notes. First one, wait. First one is 20 rupees. Second one also 20 rupees. Third
40.
one also 20
It's
rupees
100
note.
rupees.
90,
And fourth one also 20 rupees note, and fifth one also 20 rupees note. Means how many all together? So we have
100
to,
rupees.
what we
Add.
have to do? Add this amount. Add this
20.
amount. 20, 20, 20. How many times we have to add this
100.
amount?
Yes.
Five.
100.
5 times. Yes, wait, I am asking you, tell me step by step, okay? Then how many times we have to add this? 20,
20,
20,
20,
20,
20,
20. And how many times? 5 times, no?
5 times.
Yes, 5 times we have to add this notes. Means total amount we should add this. How much? Now tell me the answer.
20 plus 20 in 40,
40.
40 plus 20 in 60, 60
Yes.
plus 20 in 80, 80 plus
Yes.
90, 100. 100.
Yes, very good, very good. Very good students. 100 rupees. So total amount is, we have to
100.
write here answer 100 rupees.
Rupee.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
So second one is, now how much amount is all together? First note is given a 500.
500 rupee. Second
Yes.
one, second note in 200 rupee.
Yes.
Third note in 50 rupee. 50 rupees.
50 rupees. First one is given 500, then second one 200, and third one is given 50 rupees. So we should add this.
750.
All together.
750.
Okay,
750.
we have to add this all amount. See, first one 500, na?
500.
We are going to add
500
500. Okay. Then
Plus
500
200
plus 200.
200
Plus
plus 50.
plus. Okay. Then do the addition now.
0.
500
At the unit place 0. Okay.
200 is
And
700 and 50 rupees. In
Yes.
750 rupees.
okay, very good. At unit place
7.
0
Seven.
and 5, and here is 7. So total amount is 750 rupees. So we have to write the answer here, 750
50.
rupees. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Very correctly you are done. Very good. Now, next, we have to add this all together now. First one is given 500.
rupee note.
Yes,
Second is 100 rupee note. Third is 100 rupee.
yes,
Fourth
yes.
is 100 rupee note. Fifth is 10 rupee.
10 rupees.
Sixth
And again?
is 120.
10 rupees. Okay, we have to add this first. First one given 500. Okay. Second one 100 rupees.
100.
Then third one is also 100. 3 times 100, no? How many times? 3 times 100. So 100, 100, 100. Okay, correct. And how many rupees? 2 times 10 rupees, no? Okay. Now
Yes.
add this all together at the unit place.
820.
0. And here 2. Okay. Then here 8. 820
20 rupees.
rupees. Very good, very good. Great. 820 rupees. So all together, when we add a 50 rupees and 3 times 100 rupees and 2 times 10 rupees, then all together make a amount 820 rupees. Yes, correct. Are you understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now next, there is given first one
Plus
500 note. 500 note. Then we have to add 100.
100. Then 20.
20 rupees.
Then 200.
200. Yes, 200. Then 500.
50.
Sorry, 50 rupees.
50.
Very good. Then
Then 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Then 5 rupees.
5 rupees. Then
Then 1
1
rupee.
rupee. Then
And
again
1 rupee.
1 rupees. Then we have to write
500.
properly.
500.
500,
100.
100,
20.
20
Plus
rupees. Then
200.
200. Okay,
50.
50 rupees. Then
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Then we have to add.
Teacher, 5 rupees
Yes.
also.
Okay, 5 rupees also, and 112 coins also there, no? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay. 5,
50 plus 10.
5 and 1 rupees coin are 2 rupees. Make a 2 rupees. So we have to add 2 rupees. Now tell me the answer. At unit place, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 2. How
7.
much?
7.
7. 7. Very good. And then at
7
tens
and
place,
8.
8.
2 plus 5, 8. 8. Very good. Then
5,
at
6,
100
1.
place,
5 plus 1, 6. 1
5 plus 1.
6 plus 2, 7, 8.
Okay, very good. Very good. At
Yes.
100 place, 887 rupees. How much? How much? Altogether amount is,
887.
when we add all these amount, then we get the amount 887
87.
rupees. Okay?
Yes.
Understood? Very
Yes.
good. Then next, yeah, when we have when we going to purchase into the store, if you want a 3 rupees pen, if you
Fine.
have a 5 rupees coin, then what you have to do? You want to give 3 rupees and you have a 5 rupees. You want to make the change now of 5 rupees.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will give the 5 rupees, then in return, shopkeeper will give a remaining amount to you. He will take his 3 rupees amount and remaining amount he will return you. In this
Yes.
exchange of rupees or change of rupees, we are going to see now change of rupees. How to make the change of
5 rupees coin.
Okay, there is given the different examples of how to make the change of rupees of 5. Okay, first one, if we have a 1 rupee coin, if you want the 1 rupee coin of the change of 5 rupees, then how much coin you need?
5
1
coins
rupee
of
coin.
1 rupees.
Yes,
5
5
coins.
coins of 1 rupees. It's make a 5 rupees. Now 1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
5.
Five.
So 1 rupee coin, if you have 1 rupee coin 5 times, then you will get the 5 rupees. Very good. Is it correct?
Yes.
Got it? Okay,
Yes.
you got it, no? Very good. Then next also, if you don't have 1 rupees 5 coins and if you want to make a change of
Teacher, 2
two,
times 2 coins and 1 rupees coin.
okay, 2 rupees coins at the
Two.
2 times. Okay,
And
2
1
times.
1 rupees coin.
2 plus 2 and plus 1.
1.
Okay, 2 plus 2 make a 4 and 1 plus 1 means you
Five.
can make in this way also.
Yes.
Then if you have a 50 paise, nowadays we means rarely use this 50 paise. But you have earlier days we use this, but we have a knowledge about that. No? 50 paise, 250 paise means 1 rupees. No? 50 plus 250 paise means 1 rupees. So how many 50 paise we need to make a 5 rupees? 1. This one make a 1 rupees. No? 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees and 5 rupees. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Then how many coins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many coins of 50 paise? 10
10.
coins. 10 coins of 50 paise.
Yes.
It will make the change of rupees 5. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Change for rupees into the coins. Now next, tell me now the change for 10 rupee coin is given below. See, if you have a 50 paise coins, then how many coins you need to make a 10 rupees? If you have a 50 paise coins, then see, remember 1 rupee means 100 paise. 1 rupee means 100 paise. So,
Yes.
okay, 50 paise coin. So put a here, coin 50, 50 paise make a 1 rupee. 250 paise make a 1 rupee, na?
Yes.
Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Draw
Yes.
here, na? 50, 50. Okay. Now, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, 10, 20, 50 coins make a 10 rupees. How is it? See, 20 multiply by. Okay, let's see now. How many coins you need? 20 coins.
Yes.
Okay, 20 multiplied by 10, how much? 200.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
First, and if you have a 1 rupee coin 10 times, then how much? 100.
Yes.
This 100 paise. Okay, 100 paise means 1 rupees, and 200 paise means 2 rupees. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here. Now, next one, 50 paise coins, we need a 20 coins, and 1 rupee coins, we need 10, means 1 rupee, we have to add 10 times, then we get 10 rupees. Then 2 rupees coin 5 times, means 5. Okay, means we have to give here, you can draw 2 rupees coin here, 1, 2 rupees coin, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now add this 2 rupees coin, how much make? All together 2 plus 2, 4,
4
plus 2, 6.
equal to 8, 9, 10.
Yes, then make a 10 rupees. Okay, it will be made 10 rupees. So if you have 2 rupees, then you need a 5 coins of 2 rupees to make a rupees 10. Understand? Then,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
then 2 rupees coins and 1 rupees coins you have. But how much you have to have 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin to make a 10 rupee? Here is given 2 rupees 4 coins and 1 rupees 1 coin. Okay, 2 rupees 4 coin and 1 rupees 1 coin. 2 rupees 4 coins make a 8 rupees. How much? 8 rupees, no?
8. Yes.
2 plus
Yes.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 rupees coin, 2 coins you need. Okay, it make a 2 rupees, means 8 plus 2, 10 rupees. Like this way, you have to make the change of rupees. Understood? Okay.
Yes.
If you have a 5 rupees note, if you have 5 rupees note or coin, then how many coins you need to make a 10 rupees? 5 plus
Of
5.
5, we will need 5 notes of 2.
Okay, 5 plus 5, it's make a 10 rupees. So 2
Yes.
coins of 5 rupees. You have 2 notes of 5 rupees we need. Okay, 2 notes of 5 rupees, 5 plus 5. It's make a 10 rupees, na?
Yes.
So 2 coins of 5 rupees or 2 notes of 5 rupees we have to need.
Yes.
Okay, now next is the change for 50 rupee note is given below. We can make a change of 50 rupees if we have a 20 rupee note and a 10 rupee note. Then how many 20 rupee note and how many 10 rupee note we have to need to make a 50 rupees 20 plus 20, how much?
40.
20 plus 20,
20 plus 20.
40.
40 plus 10 is equal to 50.
40. Okay, and plus 10 is equal to
50.
50. So 20 plus 20, two notes of 20 rupees and one note of 10 rupees. It makes a change of 50 rupees note. Understood? Two notes
Yes.
of 20 rupees and one note of 10 rupees. Okay, can you repeat this? How many notes of 20 rupees?
Two
Two
notes.
notes of 20, one note of 10 is equal to 50 rupees. 20 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 50.
Yes, very good. The change of 50 rupees is equal to two notes of 20 rupees and one note of 10 rupees is equal to 50. Okay, if you have 10 rupees note, then how many notes you need to make a 50 rupees? If you have 10, then 10 plus
10
10.
plus 10.
How
10.
many?
5
10 plus 10 plus
plus
10,
2, 3, 4, 5. Plus
30, 40, then 50.
10,
Okay,
20, 30. Yes.
correct now? 10
Yes.
plus 10 plus 10 plus 10
Plus
and plus 10. How many times we have to add? 10, 5
5.
times. 5 times. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then what is the change of 50 rupees note? If you have a 10 rupee, how many times? 5 notes
Five.
of 10 rupees. How many notes of 10 rupees you need?
5.
5 notes of 10 rupees.
Okay, you need to make a change of 50 rupees.
Yes.
Very good. Now you understood this, Mark?
Yes.
Let's make the change of 500 now. The change for 500 rupees note. Okay.
Yes.
See now, here is given, if you have 100 rupees note, if you have 100 rupees note, then how many notes you need? 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4.
4, and one more note you need. Okay,
Yes. 5.
100. Huh?
Yes.
500. Okay, one more note you need to make a
5.
500. No? Okay. If you want to make the change of this 100, here is
Yes.
given 100 rupees change is given here. 51 note. If you have a 50 rupees one note and 20 rupees, then how much remain? 50 plus 20 is make a
60, 70.
70. Then
Yes.
10 rupees, 10 rupees,
20.
20. Okay. Then
Yes.
2 rupees coins are there. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. How many times we have to add this? 2, 5 times. Then how many rupees are these?
10.
10 rupees.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now add these numbers. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. Is it correct? 100.
Is equal to 100.
100.
100.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if you have 4 notes of 100 rupees, then another notes are given here. The change of 100 rupees means all is 100 and this 400 plus 500. Okay, it's make all together 500. I understood
500.
the change for
Yes.
500 rupees note. How to make it? Let's see. Next. Here also given the 50 rupees change in two ways. Okay. If you have a 3 notes of 10 rupees and the 4 notes of 4 coins are there. 5 rupees.
Yeah.
3.
20.
Let's count this 10 plus 10 plus 10. How much? 30.
30.
3 times 10 is
Yes.
30. Then 5 plus 5
And 50.
plus 5 and plus 5 means this 10 and 20 rupees. No? 5 plus 5, 10 and 5 plus 5, 10 is 20. Is 30 plus 20 is
Equal to 50. 50. 50.
50. Very good, very good. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Now next. Okay,
20
in this
plus
means we have to. Yes, yes. In next way,
Then
if you want to make the change of 50 rupees with the help of 20 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes, then 20 rupees, two notes are there. 20 plus 20 and plus 10.
40. Yes. And 10, 50.
20 plus 20 plus 10. Okay, is equal to 50. Are you
Yes.
understood now how to make the change of 50 rupees?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good.
Yes.
In two ways, if you have a 10 rupees note and 5 rupees coin, then how much you need? And if you have a 20 rupees notes and 10 rupees note, then how much you need to make a 50 rupees? I hope you understood how to make the change of rupees. Now, one more is given here. Example, the how to do the change of 500. 500 rupees. If you have 100 rupees notes, 1, 2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5. How many notes are there?
5 notes. 5
Five.
notes of
5 notes
100.
are there
Making
of the 100. Yes. Okay. It means
100.
you need the 5 notes of 100. Okay, you
Yes.
need the 5 notes of 100. 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. Okay, if you add the 100 5 times, then you will get the 500 rupees.
Yes.
Okay, now next, if you have 200 rupees and 100 paise, sorry, 100 rupees, one note of 100 rupees and two notes of 200 rupees, then how much altogether? 200,
Plus.
two notes of 200, no?
Yes.
And
Or we
one
can
note
put
of
400. That,
100. Altogether make a 500. Is it correct?
yes.
Yes.
500. Then you can make the change of 5 rupees in this way also. If you have a two notes of 200 rupees and one note of 100 rupees. If you add all together this 500 rupees.
Yes.
Okay.
Or 400 plus 100 is equal to 50 also.
Okay, very good. 400 plus 100 is equal to 50. Then, yes.
Yes.
Here is given. Smaller notes and coins can also be exchanged for a single bigger note or a coin. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now next, there is given the example, and you have to fill that box. Box is given now. If you have 5 rupees notes and you want make it 50, so how many rupees you need to make a 50 rupees? How many 5 rupees notes
Yes.
you should need to make a 50 rupees?
50,
Yes,
40, 50. Teacher,
5. Yes.
teacher, 5.
How many?
5 notes of 10. Sorry, 5.
Okay.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 notes of rupees 5.
Okay. See here. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5 plus 5, 10. And how much this much? 25. And this much 25 plus 50. How many notes you require to 50? 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8, 9,
9,
10.
10.
10.
Means
10.
10 notes of 5 rupees, you need to make the change of rupees 50. Okay, 10.
Yeah.
Okay, correct? Now, how much 10 rupees notes you need to make a 50 rupees?
Yes.
Now next,
Yes.
how much 10 rupees notes you need to make a 50 rupee change?
It's a 5. 5 notes of 10 rupees.
5
5
notes
notes of.
of, yes,
Yes.
5 notes of 50, because 10 plus 10 plus 10
Is-
plus 10 and plus 10 means 5 times 10 you have to add. It will be make a 50 rupees. Okay, very good. 5 times. I'm showing here on the screen. Here 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Four.
But this is a 10 rupees note, no? Sorry, here given 10 rupees note. 10 rupees note, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Okay, 10 how many times you have to add? 5 times.
5 times.
Yes. So answer is 5. And how many 2 rupees coins and 10 rupees coins you need to make a 50? If you
Teacher,
have
teacher, 10 rupees coin we need 10 rupees coin is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins of 10 rupees
okay,
and
yes, very
2,
good.
3, 4, 5 notes of 2 rupees.
Okay,
4
4 coins of 10 rupees. It will be make a 40. And 2 rupees coins?
1,
much?
2, 3, 5. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be make a how many rupees? 10. Okay, then 40 plus 10,
Yes.
50. It will be make 50 rupees. Very good, very
Yes.
good. Yes. Then in
2 rupees
here,
of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2
okay.
rupees of 5 is a 5, not 10. 5.
Okay, very good, very good. You are very attentive student. Yeah,
5 of them.
very good. 5. And
Yes.
here
And
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
4. Yes, very good. Very good, beta. Now next, all of you got this answers. You need a 10 notes of 5 rupees, then it will be make a 50 rupees. Then 5 notes of 10 rupees, then it will be make a 50 rupees. If you have a 2 rupees coins, 5 coins of 2 rupees coins and 4 coins of 10 rupees, then it will be made 50 rupees altogether. Okay, understood
Yes.
how to make a change of 50 rupees?
Yes.
Very good. Here in next, they're also given an example. Tell me the answer. How to make the change of 100 rupees. If you have a 5 rupees notes. 5 rupees notes. Tell me the answer. 5 rupees notes.
12 notes of 5. 12 notes of 5.
Yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Yes.
70, 90,
5 plus 5, 10. Na?
Teacher, 1,
हाँ,
2, 3, 4,
correct.
5, 6,
Very
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes.
Teacher, 20 rupees.
How many?
20
Yes, tell. Okay, very good. You are trying very well. Okay, how many? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10.
20
Here
notes
is
of 5.
40.
20.
Okay. How many notes? You need 20. Huh?
10.
Yes. Here
20,
10.
20 notes of 20. Yes, 20. 10, 10, 10. 1. Wait. Confused.
Number. This much. Yes.
10, 10, 10. Yes, teacher?
Yes, correct. How much note you need? 20 notes.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 rupees notes you have to need to make 100. Very good try. How many notes you need? 20.
20.
Okay, you got it? All of you
Yes,
got it?
40,
Yes, very good, very good.
100.
So make
Teacher,
the change.
Of
Yes, beta.
20 rupees notes, of 20 rupees notes, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 20 notes.
Okay, for make the change of 100 rupees. How many notes of 20 rupees? 5. Okay. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 and plus 20. How many times you have to add the 20? Yes, it will be make 100. Very
Yes.
good. Correct. Okay. All of
Yes.
you got? Okay. How many
50
notes you have to
rupees.
write here? 5.
Yes.
Huh.
Teacher,
How
50 rupees note is 5 only. Sorry, 1. 50 rupees ka 1.
Okay. 50 rupees 1. How many notes need of 50 rupees to make the change of 100 rupees? Calculate
Only
once
1
again.
1 rupees note of 50.
No, beta.
Sorry.
We want to make the 100 rupees. Yes. Very good. 50 plus 50.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yes,
very good.
yes.
50 plus 50, 100 rupees. So 2 times means 2 notes we need. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Then here is given one box, 10 rupees coin. How much 10 rupees coin and how much 20 rupees notes? Okay. 10 rupees. Earlier we done the 20 rupees notes of 5. It needs the 20 rupees of note 5 there is given. If we take the 4 note of 20 rupees, then how much we will need to make a 20 more?
Teacher,
Yes.
10 rupees of 2, 20, 40.
Yes, very good. 2 notes of 10 rupees and 4 notes of 20 rupees. How is it now? I'm going to show you now. Okay. 2 notes of 10 plus 10, how much? 20. And 4 notes of 20. It will become 80 rupees. No?
Yes.
It will be make 100. Means correct.
Yeah.
Okay. These 2 notes of 10 rupees and 4 notes of 20 rupees will make the change of 100 rupees. Okay.
Yes.
Now next also we want to make the change of 2000.
Okay.
10 rupees note.
Okay.
How many 10 rupees note we need? 10 rupees. 10 notes of 10 rupees make how much?
60, 70, 80,
Yes.
100.
2000 divide, if we done the 2000 divided by 10 rupees, then we will get a 200. Now, means 200
Yes.
notes of 10 rupees we will have. If you have a 10 rupees note, 200 notes of 10 rupees, then we will get the 2000 rupees. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so we need the 200 notes of 10 rupees. Okay,
Yes.
then 20 rupees notes. How many 20 rupees notes? Then 2000 divided by 20. We have to do 2000 divided by 20. Okay, then we
Yes.
will get the answer 2000 divided by 20. 100. No?
Yes.
Yes, 100. So 100 notes we require to make a 2000 rupees. 100 notes of 20 rupees we require to make a 2000 rupees. Okay, like this way we have to solve this all example. 50 rupees notes and then 100 rupees notes also given there. 100 rupees notes, then 500 rupees notes. You should. Then tell me the answer of how much 50 rupees notes you require. 50 rupees 40, because we have to do 2000 divided by 50. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. 400 notes. 400 notes. 40 is here divided by 2. So here 10 rupees notes. How many 100 rupees notes we require to make a 2000?
100.
Yes. 2000 divided by 100. We have to do 2000 divided by 100. Okay, 2000 divided by 100. See how many notes we require? 20. Then here next 500 rupees.
Oh, this one.
How many 500 rupees notes we require to make a 2000? 2000 divided by 500. So cut, do the division.
20. 20.
How much?
Teacher, 20.
Yes.
5
Four notes. 5 fours are 20. So 4 notes we require. Okay. To make a 500. Then if big amount is there, so if you want to get this amount, you should do the division. How many notes you require to make a 2000? Then you have to divide it. 2000 divided by 10 rupees, then you will get the answer. 2000 divided by 20 rupees, you will get the answer. 100 notes. Okay. Then 2000 divided by 50 rupees, then you get the answer. 400 notes and 2000 divided by 10 rupees, then you get the answer 20. Means 20 notes required of 100 rupees to make 2000, and 4 notes of 500 rupees, you get the answer. How many notes of 500? 4 notes of 500 is required to make a 2000 change. Okay, now you understood how we done this?
Yes.
This is a big amount now, so we done division. Yeah. Now here also Seema. Seema said, I have rupees 100. Can you tell which all notes can I have? If Seema have a one note only, then this is a 100 rupees note. If she have a 2 notes, no. If she have a 2 notes, means it will be a 50-50, 100 rupees. Got it?
Yes.
Then if Seema have a 3 notes, 4 notes are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3.
Then which notes are there? Guess this. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. Okay, this will be made 100 rupees.
Yes.
So, and here 100 rupees. If
7,
Seema,
8.
if Seema have 20 rupees notes, then how many notes of 20 rupees she had? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. 5 notes.
Yes.
Okay, 5 notes of 20 rupees. It will be make a 100 rupees. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
if she have 10
Ten.
rupees, then how many 10 rupees note?
Uh,
She has 1, 2,
10.
3, 4,
3,
5, 6,
4,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9, and 10. 10 notes.
Yes.
Here
10 notes of 10.
Yes. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. How to make the change of whole amount, means big amount into the small amount. Understood? Now next,
Yes.
here also one. If Seema have rupees 60, Seema said, I have rupees 60 and have a 2 notes. Can you guess which note I have? Then here is given.
Rupees of 1 note, 10 rupees of 1 note is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to
Yes.
60.
Okay. She have a 60 rupees, 1 note of 50 rupees and 1 note of 10 rupees. Okay. Very good. Now next, Avni. Avni have a 85 rupees and have 5 notes. Can you guess which notes I have? Avni said, how many notes? 20 rupees notes. Count this. First we
1,
have
2, 3, 4.
1,
4
2, 3, 4. 4 notes of 20
of
rupees.
20 and 5 note of 5
Yes.
rupees.
4 notes of 20 rupees will make a 80 and plus
80.
5, 85.
0.5.
Yeah?
Yes.
Very good. It's correct. Now, if we have 5 notes, 1 note of 50 rupees, then 50 plus
3 notes of
10 plus 10 plus 10, how much? 80 and plus
80
5,
plus 5.
85. Okay, correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I hope you understood now.
Yes.
Now, next, the Neha has 9 notes. The value of the notes is 1,000 rupees. Which note does she have and how many of each? Okay, Neha has 9 notes. Okay, how many notes? 9 notes. And the value of notes is 1,000. Let's see how much is there. 1 note of 500, 4 note of 100 means 4 note of 100 means 400. Okay.
Yes.
Then 50 rupees 1 note, then 50, then 20 rupees 2 notes. It will be make a 40. Then 10 rupees 1 note. It will be make a 10 rupees. Okay. You should all add together 500, 400 plus 50 plus 40 plus 10 is equal to 1,000. Is equal to 1,000. Means here is given how many notes you have? 9 notes. Here 1, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Neha has
Yes.
9 notes. So one of the 500 and 4 of the 100 and 1 of the 50 rupees and 2 of 20 rupees and 1 of 10 rupees. Okay. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Okay. Then same is given here. 10 notes of 10 rupees and 2 notes of 50 rupees. It will be make how much? 100 rupees. Okay, 2
Yes.
notes. 10 notes of 10 rupees, 10 multiplied by 10, 100. And 2 notes of 50 rupees means 50 plus 50, 100. Okay, some examples are given here how to make the change. And second one, 500. Already we seen earlier. if we have 100 rupees note, then how many notes we require? 5 notes of 100. 5 notes of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have a 10 notes of 50 rupees, then it will be also make a 500. Okay.
Yes.
Then now, how to make the change of 2000? Already we done now. Now revise this. Here, if we have a 500 rupees notes, then how many notes we require? 4 notes, no? 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 means 4 times 500. We have to add, then we get the 2000. And second one, 20 notes of 100 rupees. 20 notes of 100 rupees. Then it will be make how much? 20 notes of 100 rupees. It will be make a 2000. Okay. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Means the value of the 2000 rupees note is 4 times the value of a 500 rupees note, or 20 times the value of a rupee 100. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And here also same given, 2000 rupees note change of, already we done this, 100 notes of 20 rupees, 40 notes of 50 rupees, and 20 notes of 100 rupees, and 4 notes of 500 rupees. All of you got it? And 100 rupee change, 50 plus 50, 2 times. If you have a 1 note of 100, 1 note, and here if you have a 4 notes of, then 50 plus 20, 22 times, and 10, 1 times. Okay, got it? Now
Yes.
now next, the conversion of rupees into paise. Already I told you how many paise make a rupees 1.
100.
Tell me.
100.
100 paise. 100 paise. Very good. How many paise make rupees 1? 100 paise.
100 paise.
Very good. Then 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Like that way, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. And how many paise make a rupees 2? 2 rupees is equal to how many paise?
200 paise.
2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. Very good.
Yes.
How many rupees? 5 rupees is equal to how many paise? Here is already given. 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Okay, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. Okay, if you want to convert into paise, the rupees into paise, we have to multiply with the 100. Okay.
Yes. Okay, 100.
Conversion of rupees into paise, we have to multiply with 100. Then we will get the answer. Now, next, conversion of paise into rupees. See here, is already given. There is a 300 paise. Look carefully. Last indicates the amount of paise. Okay, and first digit is indicates the rupees. Okay, here these are the paise and 3 is the rupees. Means 300 paise is equal to 3 rupees.
3 rupees.
Correct? Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
400 paise, then how many rupees?
4 rupees.
4 rupees. Yes. Very good. Then here one more example is given. 7,300
300 paise.
paise. Then how many rupees? How many rupees?
73 rupees.
7 rupees.
70. Yes, 73 rupees.
70 rupees.
73 rupees.
3
Because
rupees. Yes.
last 2 digits indicates the paise.
0.
73 rupees.
In
Okay.
0 digits.
Very good, students. I hope you understood how to do the conversion of the paise into rupees and rupees into paise.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Let's, homework is here. Write
Homework.
the change for 10 rupees. Okay. How many coins you need? to make a 10
Four.
rupees of 2 rupees
Oh,
coins,
five.
1 rupees coins, you can make that. Huh? Like one example I
sure.
am giving here. So if you have a 2 rupees coin, then how many coins you need? 5 coins.
5 coins.
Like that way you have to solve this. Okay. Now I hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you very much,
Yes.
students.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
teacher.